In this part of the lab, we're going to do things the other way around. We're going to measure our velocity coming off of the ramp, and we're going to try to hit a bullseye, and by figuring out where to put the bullseye on the table or on the floor in order to score some points. If we hit the bullseye, we get a high grade, and if we miss the bullseye, we get a low grade. For those of you playing at home, you're just going to have to tell us exactly where to put the bullseye in order to get the points. And if you do your math right, you should be guaranteed of 100. The first thing we need to do is we need to remeasure the height of our ramp, because I have moved the height of the ramp. So we'll put our ruler down here, and we'll measure in centimeters to the top edge of the ramp. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to recollect data on the velocity of the marble. I've moved the peg here on the ramp, so we're not starting as high, which means the marble's velocity when it comes through the photo gate will be different than what it was when we did our first calculations. We're going to collect 5 samples so that we can get an average velocity out of the photo gate, and then we're going to use that average velocity out of the photo gate and the new height to calculate exactly where to place our target for the win. Okay, we're ready to record our data. I don't have to let the marble hit the ground. As a matter of fact, that would be cheating, because then I would know where the marble will hit. But I'm going to catch the marble as it comes off the ramp, and I'm going to collect the data for 5 runs. I'm going to press collect. We're set to go. 1. You didn't see that. 2. 3. 4. And 5. Now we're going to take our 5 data points, starting right here, 1.349, and extending down here to 1.357, and average them together to get our average velocity for our projectile, and use that with our height to calculate the position for the target.